Hey, we are here to train you to stay confident and safe behind the wheel at night. Number 1. Always make sure your headlights, tail lights, and brake lights are clean and working. Number 2. Keep your windshield clean to get a clear view. Number 3. At night, visibility drops, so slow down and give extra space. Number 4. Don't look directly at headlights or it'll blind you. Number 5. Use high beams on empty roads for better visibility. Number 6. Never drive tired. Fatigue can slow your reflexes. So, with the right habits, you can stay safe and confident wherever the road takes you.